good. Today I'm going to show you on how you can go ahead and join up these pieces. It's quite very easy and simple. This is just a demonstration. As you can see, I've done it on a small piece. So let's just go ahead and join all the pieces up together. First thing I want to do is to go ahead. We'll be placing up the side seams of it, facing the side seams of it. And what we want to do to make sure that the length actually is being the same. The length here is the same because it's supposed to be the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and pin that up and do the same thing here on this side. And I'm going to do the same thing here on this other side, just for you to go ahead and see all. And this other piece, what we're going to do is to go ahead and pin up this other side like this. When I pick up the waist, my pick, make sure that we place all the pieces up to facing each other. Then this part up. Right, so we want to make sure that this part is being mashed up. Okay, it's supposed to mash up. I just want to do this so that you guys will go ahead and see how it's going to look like. So this other piece, we want to go ahead, remember that you're supposed to go ahead and add up your zipper to it. So I'm going to be leaving the zipper allowance. I'll have to go ahead and leave the zipper allowance to this. Then I just go ahead and pin the back piece. Alright, so the tail, we're going to go ahead and pin it up. You can make your tail more longer. Right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and pin that part up. And I'm also pinning this up. Now what I'm going to do is to take it to my machine. I'm going to stitch 1 inch here like this. I'll end here. I'm also going to go ahead and stitch up the side seams of it. I'll also do the same thing to this other side for you guys to see. So you can see the tail is already given. Right, so let's go ahead and stitch that up. So now we're going to go ahead now and stitch the back of the skirt. Right, this is just a piece of demonstration for you guys to see how the back is going to turn like. You want to do about 1 inch because definitely we have 1 inch for the sewing allowance. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and back stitch when it starts. I'm going to go ahead and just adjust it if there's anything looking funny. Get to where the zipper is going to end. I will go ahead now and move up the pins. And I'm going to do the same thing to this other side. I'm going to stitch about 1 inch. Why? Because we'll be stitching 1 inch for that ear. down. Remember to always backstitch when you start. So now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and remove all the pins that I've just pinned it up on it. This is a demonstration on a mammoth skirt, okay? Just to show you guys what the skirt actually look like when you are done cutting it up. So this is it, as you can see from the back. This is the front. Now what you want to do is to make sure that you're going to notch up, especially this curvy part, you notch it up so that at least by the time you flip this to the right side, this part and press it up, it should be looking good. Now trim any excess that you don't want, cut up, notch this part also, alright? Move my pins up. Okay. Now that I have done removing the pins up, I'm going to flip this up to the right side. Flip the skirt to the right side. So you can see the tail from the back is given, right? By the time you put the skirt on, I'm going to have to press that up. You make your tail to flow in such a way that you're going to just have to, you see the way the tail is flowing, right? To be long. Here, we're going to have to give the notch this curve. Always notch the curve. Anything that is curvy, go ahead and notch that up so that by the time you actually flip this to the right side, press it up, that will be able to sit perfectly. Alright, so as you can see the tail from the back, right? The tail is giving, you can see. Alright, so I'm going to have to go ahead now and add up my small waistband to it all the way around. Hoping that it's going to be, just go ahead, you can do 1 inch of the waistband, just add it up and you are ready to you are ready to go. So let me quickly add up that waistband to it. We're just gonna place it up like that and we'll stitch that part up. Before you add up your waistband, make sure that you're aligning to your skirt, right? press. You fold the zipper allowance inwards, just like this. As you can see the cake, the way it's clean. Now, the best thing for me to do is to give it a press. Press everything out so this part is going to look smooth and the tape is going to be at the back. Press it up so that everything should come out well, and make sure to notch. Right, so you can see my back. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a press right now, so you can see the tape from the back, right? So you can see the way the front, this is how the front looks like. When you put it on, that is where you really see the beauty of those feet, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and give it, see, the front is very simple, but the back is given. So I want to go ahead and press it up like this. My zipper allowance, make sure I give all the curves out. All this curve, I'm going to press it up to give it out, to move it out. All the curves should come out, and you are ready to go, ready to wear, ready to enjoy your mommy skirt. Alright, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to, let me go ahead and press it to show you guys what it looks like. Let's use the press. Press on ascot the way you want it to be. Press it on. That was good. Then I have to remove all the curves also. This is a little demonstration on the skirt for you. For you to see what's it look like. Right? So when you are done, we are done just pressing it up, and we have something like this. Look at the front. Look at the curves that it's giving us right there at the front. Right? We have not added any zipper yet. These are our curves. This is how the front is going to look like, and this is how the back. The back is going to look like. You just have the flow. By the time you wear it up, that's when you get to see it flowing at the back. Okay, so I hope this was helpful. Remember, we have not added any zipper because this is a demonstration on the skirt. All right, so I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and share. I hope to see you some other time. Bye bye, guys. Bye bye. It was beautiful, beautiful skirt. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you.